The MTU Rail Transportation Program came to the Husky Game Development Enterprise with a problem. Every summer, they had used a video game during the Summer Youth Program to help students visualize how locomotives move cars to the correct station. The game that the Rail Transportation Department was using used Flash Player. Unfortunately, on January 1st, 2021, after years of being phased out, Flash Player officially reached its end of life due to security concerns, as it was very easily utilized by hackers and other cyber criminals.
As mentioned before, the game was actually used for educational purposes. Certain classes and even the summer youth program use the game to practice organizing train cars. Although some levels may be very rare to see in real life, they still help people practice the process of rearranging and organizing train cars to where they are supposed to go. The skills people can gain from playing this will help them recognize or help them solve real-life situations, such as the pictures down below. Our level 11 is a lot simpler than the real location on the right, but organizing train cars in both circumstances is actually going to be similar than you think because it's the same process in both. This game can help people gain skills that will apply to real scenarios in the future.
The solution to helping the rail program with their problem was to create a new game to replace the one that no longer functions. The new game, which we have named Rail Shunting Puzzle Remaster, is based mainly on the ideals of the previous game. Due to this project being commissioned by the rail program, we needed to include the key functions from the previous game that they wanted to be carried over. Such functions included are the main gameplay goal, to move the trains and rail cars to the respective train depot within each level, and functions like the ability to switch between different tracks to allow for more complex puzzles to solve.
Railroad Shunting Puzzle Remaster was developed in the Unity engine. We have extracted the true physics of a train in the real world using splines to act as our railroad tracks. Specifically, we used the Kirby Spline library to develop our rails. This allowed us to easily develop puzzles for the game and allowed us to create the level creator for our players to be able to generate their own. Everything else, from the trains moving to the cars having different types of cargo, was developed by our team over the course of the 2022-2023 school year. As you can see from our various development clips, it was not a straightforward process, and there was a lot that we had to learn in order to make the game what it is.
Currently, we have 20 playable levels with various puzzles and difficulties. We also have a limited custom level creator, which allows players to draw their own tracks and make new puzzles. Finally, we have full 3D assets, including trains, tracks, trees, and more.
Since we talked about our game so much, we thought you'd enjoy some gameplay. Here's a demonstration of what our game looks like.